I didn't think this would actually work, but oh my god, it did. As you can see right here, I'm getting over $100 off of my Temu order. So I know that a bunch of y'all are looking to get some free stuff from Temu. Now, this video is going to be an exploration into this video that I found of seeing if this method actually works. I found this method recently from a TikTok video where they advertised that you could get $100 off of your Temu order. Now, I don't know if this stuff is actually real, but I thought we would go ahead and try it here today, and we're just gonna see if it actually works out. But if you guys are interested in this kind of content, make sure you subscribe, because if this video gets me 100 subscribers, I will be doing a free Cash App or PayPal giveaway. So you also got to do to enter is you got to make sure that you leave a comment down below of either your PayPal, email, or your cash tag, and you got to make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So if you guys can go ahead and do that, that would be awesome, because I do want to do that free $100 giveaway, provided that this video does get me 100 subs, which I can't see that from YouTube. So already I have Temu on my phone. You guys can see this right here. This is actually live. And since we're already on Temu, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of extra free methods that I do know about, so you can go ahead and get some free stuff. First off, something very important that you guys are going to want to go ahead and do is that you're going to want to spin every single jackpot that you can. So I'm just going to go ahead and spin this, and I'm going to see what we can win. And oh, look at that. We just copped the $100 coupon. Now, this isn't the $100 coupon method, but this is another part of the method. You got to make sure that you guys are constantly on Temu, getting every single one of these coupons that you can. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enable for that. And we're going to even get a welcome gift. So we're just going to have to scroll through this discount code. And just like that, we just got a bunch of stuff for free. And this is exactly what we're looking for. Our first pick is completely free. So I'm going to be picking these, and I'm going to be picking whatever I want. And I'm just going to go ahead and picking a bunch of stuff. And then I just need to go ahead and pick up 2 more things. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick up this, get it for completely free, add to cart. And then I'm gonna cop these Yeezy slides. We all know what these are. Nobody doesn't know what these are. You're not that smart, Temu. So there you go. We get now $100. So all you guys got to do from that is that you just got to make sure that you go into Temu and you actually check out with that, and make sure that you get that free $100, because it is possible to get stuff completely free from Temu. But basically what this method entails is that it tells me that I need to go into my U category, and I need to look at my coupons and offers. And as you guys can see right there, I do have a 100% value coupon, but it says that I actually need to go ahead and apply another coupon. Now, the coupon that the video told me to apply is just simply ORD5276. And to preface this, the video did say that this method will not work unless you have a completely new Temu account on a completely new phone. If you've already downloaded Temu before, then you cannot actually take advantage of this. But if you do want to take advantage of this, what you actually have to do is that you have to sign up with the link or with the code, which I have a link for in the description down below. But what you actually got to go ahead and do is that you got to make sure that you either factory reset your phone or you buy a completely new phone. Now, you can actually get phones for really cheap, or you can just run them through an emulator potentially. I've heard some mixed success with that. Temu devs are really smart. Well, something that I know that 100% works is factory resetting your phone. And if you guys are interested in me making a video about that, make sure to leave a comment down below, because I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then just like that, we now apply the free 100 value coupon bundle into our account. And just like that, we already are going to get a ton of free stuff from Temu. And I'm just going to go into my cart. And just like that, guys, you can see it on my phone right here if it would screen. And you can see just like that, I actually now have completely free stuff from Temu. You can see that I'm getting about $100 off from my order just by using this coupon method, these 2 coupon methods that I showed in the video. And if you guys are interested in making some more easy free stuff from Temu, make sure to stick till the end, because I do actually have one more very interesting method for you guys. So what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to download this app called Eureka. Now, a bunch of these free survey apps are actually entirely scams, but Eureka is actually totally legit. As you guys can see right here, I've already made $4 from Eureka just filling out simple, easy surveys. And to do these surveys hasn't taken me no more than 5 minutes a day. And once I hit $5, you can pay out into either a Visa gift card or your PayPal, which you can easily transfer into an app like Temu. So let's just go ahead and do one of these surveys here this morning. So let's just do this 4-minute 30-cent one together. Let's just hit start survey. Let's hit continue. And something that's really, really great about Eureka compared to most is that if you use Eureka and you actually use it actively, Eureka will autofill you based on your qualifications. Because I know that a bunch of the problems that people have had with survey apps is that they they try to do them, but they find that they're not qualified for them because, you know, they're not a single mother of 3, which, you know, most people aren't, but some people are, and no disrespect, but, you know, most people don't put themselves in that category, and for some reason every single one of these surveys just want that. But if you guys are actually looking for a way to not have to do it that way, and you guys can actually just go ahead and do it this way, then this is way better. So yeah, no, I use a microwave, and let's just go through this entire thing together. Yeah, this question is required. I did it. For each of these home items, please list in alphabetical order from selecting first, second, and third. These. Okay. So chair is first, dresser is second. Pretty sure that's going to be last. Microwave is probably going to be third. Chair is first. And then refrigerator is going to be fourth. Okay. Please, for each retailer below, please select one response in each row to indicate the last time you shopped at that retailer. More than 6 months. The past 2 to 4 weeks. I haven't shopped in Kroger in my life, actually, now that I think about it. I don't know what the hell that is. Walgreens, I went there a little bit ago for something, I don't remember. Brady's, I don't know. Farmore, I've never heard of that. Army's, never heard of that. JCPenney within the last 2 to 4 months. Target within the past 2 to 4 months. Never. Let's keep going. How much did you spend in the last month at Farmore? 0. Toward traveling. I want to travel the world. So just like that, guys, we already went ahead and we made another $4 just from doing that survey. So that was super, super easy, guys. So if you guys are interested, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is that you're going to want to sign up with my Eureka code down below, or you can use my share code 8UXHGY. And if you go ahead and use this code, you will actually get a bunch of some free goodies, which includes a free 50-cent and a $1 survey that will take you no more than a minute. And you're actually helping me out and you're helping support the channel. So make sure you go check out that link in the description. So I really hope that today's videos helped you out, guys. And if you did find any interest, remember I am doing that free $100 Cash App and PayPal giveaway if this video gets me 100 subscribers. So you're going to want to make sure to go ahead and subscribe and leave your cash tag or PayPal down below, because I want to help people out, because I know that times are tough and I know that y'all are looking to cop some free stuff. So I'm also making a ton of more free method videos on the channel. So you're going to want to go ahead and stay tuned for those, because, you know, we're about to hit a recession. The banks are declining. Everything's dying. Like, you don't know tomorrow if your house is going to get foreclosed. So I want to help you make sure that you get at least $100 off whatever you want to order from Temu. And actually something interesting that you guys can do, which is what I've seen other people do, is that I've seen people start small side hustles where they resell stuff using this method from Temu, and they resell it on places like eBay and Facebook Marketplace. And I know some people that have made easily a couple $100 this way, but Temu actually does talk a lot about free referrals. And if you guys are interested in a refer for refer Discord, I actually have one where I have an active growing community of a bunch of people who are looking to exploit Temu as much as possible, which you guys can go ahead and check out the link in the description, and you can go ahead and start making a ton of money from Temu and get every single one of the referrals that you need. So make sure to check out that Discord down below. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. And if you guys are interested in any more videos, make sure to click right now. Come on, bro. You gonna click? Come on. Come on. You don't got all day, do you? Yes. Come on. You know you wanna. I don't know what you're looking at, but you know you want to click on it. Good. Very good.